We're at Kirstenbosch Gardens this morning and we'll be hiking up Skeleton Gorge and then coming back down Nursery Ravine. And Kirstenbosch is not open yet, so we're just waiting for them to open the gates at 8 o'clock and then we'll be heading up the mountain. These are the crazy people we hike with. Skeleton Gorge. Let's do this. All right, we are ready to go. I have been designated sweeper of this hike, which means I get to walk at the back all the time. So this is most of the view you're going to see. We are still on the right path and we're heading up into the gorge. You're doing great. One step at a time. You can hear the waterfall coming down.
Just peace, silence, and tranquility. It's so beautiful.
It smells amazing. Fresh, clean. What have you found?
A window of opportunity.
And what are you going to do with it?
Use it.
Okay. Skeleton Gorge has about 600 meters of elevation. And I think we've reached the steepest part now. We've reached the first ladder. When the rains come, then obviously the waters come flooding down here. It's just a little stream today. We made it through the gorge. Yeah. I'm so proud of you.
I really am.
65 years old and you are almost at the top of Skellies.
I know.
Well done. Such an inspiration. Ah, Cape Town, you beauty. I want to tell you that you're almost at the top, but I'm not sure. But you're doing great. So we are on the top of Table Mountain now and we are just walking towards the back part of Hely-Hutchinson Dam, which is the biggest dam on top of Table Mountain. And we found our tribe, yay! We are not lost.
Worth it.
You did it. You're such an inspiration.
Amazing.
We are at the ocean on top of Table Mountain.
One, two, three.
We're gonna head back via Nursery Ravine now. Into the nursery. And there she is in all her glory. We will now descend Nursery Ravine.
No, it's not. You're fine. 1 foot in front of the remember, you'll be fine. You'll be fine.
Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna switch you off because I don't want to die. It's quite a steep descent, but it's beautiful. It's not a bad spot to just sit and take a break, hey? So beautiful, even when they're dead. Beauty even in its death. Gail says apparently there are over 1,000 steps on this trail, and I believe her. I think there might be over 2,000 steps on this trail. We keep thinking we're at the bottom and then we come across another batch of steps. I can see a green sign, which means we have almost reached the contour path. Yay! So proud of Gail today. First time doing skeleton and nursery, and you've done amazing. I'm so proud of myself too. Yay, we just got to you guys and we're like, we could rest, and they're like, okay, they're here, let's go.
Now we're gonna continue with the forest dance.
Okay. I love not being the only crazy one. We did it. We were just up there. We did it. Huh? Well done. Nursery Ravine, done and dusted.